Welcome, Not Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood for some updates. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Cali Bear. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. It is a beautiful Monday, kind of hot. For some reason, kind of windy all of a sudden. But May 13th. And still nothing, Junior. Nothing Horror Nights. We're here for Horror Night updates, though. See what the facades, what the construction's looking like.
Hopefully the facade is up in the Persian courtyard.
I don't know if it is or not. We'll see. And then, is the studio tour going through Jurassic area yet or no? I don't know. We'll find out. Our goal is to get on the studio tour today. To start off our updates, I do want to say Super Nintendo World merch now in the theme park is annual pass holder discount eligible. So we couldn't get the discount originally for a long time, but it is now eligible for annual pass holder discount. You're trying to get any of the years? Discount. Another update that happened is the 60th tour bucket went down in price. $4 if I'm not mistaken. Now that the roller coaster has been named Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, I'm keeping an eye out if any Hollywood Drift merch arrives. I know it's 2026, but you never know. You never know. The family chain has come back though. It's been a while since it's been sold out, but it's back. And $24 if you are interested. And the top pendant just says Universal. Well, I guess it says Fast and Furious. This one says Supercharged. I thought it would be like Hollywood Drift, but no, Supercharged. We were talking about bugs on our last live stream. We were here. Larvettes for $2.95. Barbecue larvettes. Would you try these? This is at a theme park. I always get asked to check the Hello Kitty merch, so just doing a quick walk-in of the store. All this Sanrio merch. This has arrived too. It's like a reversible plush. It looks like that one too. Lots of stuff over here. Here's some of the plushies and lounge flies they got. I feel like this is a lot of new stuff. A Scooby-Doo plush right here. Probably a pillow. We got Shrek now. Scooby-Doo on the Mystery Machine plushie. Scooby-Doo inside a burger. I don't even know what that's about. Gingerbread Man. And Donkey. Can't forget about Donkey. And most importantly, Puss in Boots. What? I don't ever recall seeing a plushie of Puss in Boots. Look at those boots. Look at those boots. I'm ready for Epic Universe. This is the first time I've seen this hat. Very cool. What is this? $25. $25 for How to Train Your Dragon hat. Illumination Store is the place to come if you're trying to buy a headband, hat, beanie. They got everything. There's so much to choose from. Even dinosaur hats. Oh, I love it. I'm not too aware what is new when it comes down to Minion stuff, but this hat is new to me. It's a snapback, right? Yeah, snapback. Oh, look at the bottom. That's cool. And a cup I've never seen. And then this like beanie right here. Fuzzy wuzzy beanie. And then socks. And I think this shirt too. So we're walking to Parisian Courtyard, but before I even talk about that, look at that! What? They're already vertical. Might as well be a show building right there. Damn! That's crazy. All right, back to this. What is missing right there, Junior?
Facade.
A facade.
What is going on?
It's May 13th, no facade. Damn. We have heard though they are working on like the floor,
Yeah,
you know, like the
they
walkthrough of it,
Yeah.
but facade-wise, nothing. Man, it's just kind of weird because I could have sworn it was either March or April last year facade. Like they were already looked like they were getting done by May.
The facade was already up by mid-March.
No facade. Fast and Furious construction update. You know, we saw that structure go up a long time ago, and then that one went up. And we saw a little bit ago, this one went up now. So pretty much 3 building structures have gone up for Q, load area, all sorts of goodness is going to start happening with Hollywood Drift roller coaster. Holy macaroni. Obviously, we already got the whole 2026 is going to be opening time frame. But construction wise, they are not messing around. We're in 2024. I'm telling you, we are not far off from actually seeing roller coaster connect. Damn. On the other side of the escalators, we have this heavy machinery. Wow. Holy macaroni. And most importantly, these are the foundations. Look at that. So big things coming very soon out here. I feel like I could finally start envisioning this roller coaster here. There's lots of walls are starting to go up. Things are taking shape, you know, show building wise and all that. Just recently, there was a wall that was right here. That all got destroyed. But man, this progress, amazing. Freaking cool. Next update of the day, Mummy location. Not much has really progressed, but I was saying a couple times ago, because no work's really happening on that backside, which is usually the exit. Could this be entrance and exit? That's my question for whatever this facade's going to be, or this maze. But they're doing stuff. We see poles out here. Looks like a fence maybe kind of thing. Man, it's hard to tell what the heck that is. Also too, out there in the far distance behind Transformers, we have this maze that's really progressing tremendously from the last time we were here. The facade, we'll get a better look at it in a little bit, but what I do want to point out, look at all this wood. Where's all that wood going? I don't think it's for that maze. What? Not much progress going on with that facade, but I can't help but see this wood. There's so much wood out there. Yeah, I think they're gonna wait till announcement before heavy work starts going on, whatever that facade's gonna be, or this maze in general. Up next, we're gonna go on the studio tour, relax, and enjoy this beautiful Monday.
Tour visitors have driven right by these buildings and inside these walls, even to a palatial mansion in Bel Air. When we film Bel Air, we love coming out of the sound stages and seeing the trams film.
We actually drove by on a golf cart, so keep your eyes peeled. To your right, is the custom shot side of the sound stage.
Look at the Cybertruck. Damn. Wow. That is awesome. That's Junior's truck right there.
We're in LA, sometimes you get trimmers. from TV's first golden age to our current era of streaming, and this people do that all the time by mistake. On behalf of everybody here at Universal Studios Hollywood, we hope you've enjoyed this exclusive behind-the-scenes experience. It's been 60 years in the making, and as we say here in Hollywood,
Just got off the tour and they got Doc Brown out here for meet and greets. That's really cool. If the studio tour doesn't go to Courthouse Square, they put Doc Brown out here for meet and greets when you get off. Or sometimes they have him at the entryway too. What's going on over here?
Listen, I'm a little lost. See, I found this fork. Well, here, let me show you what happened earlier. Watch out, fork in the road.
There's a fork in the road.
Listen here. I also can't seem to find my goggles. I really, like a wild
Oh
animal,
my gosh.
that thing.
It's a Monday. It's a Monday.
It sure is. But
What do we
anyway,
got here?
I created this earlier. That was me just working on math. Don't worry about that page. Here it is. Missing goggles. I can't find them anywhere. They look like this. They have some elastic and they're clear.
I'll keep an eye out for those.
I feel like it's right in front of my eyes and I just can't find them. You know?
Any news on Fast and Furious?
Well, it's a roller coaster.
Yeah.
I can tell you that much. 2026 coming at you. By the looks of it, it's just me so far. So I have some construction crew running around here. Have you met JB? Lex is around. Smiles is around. But I don't think they showed up today. I think they gave everyone else the day off.
All right. It's early. 2026 is a while away. Yeah, I got a lot of time.
We wanted to open it tomorrow, but as you can see, I don't think it's going to happen.
We got a long way to go. Well,
Exactly.
have a good rest of your day.
Thank you so much.
I hope you find the goggles.
Thank you. Me too.
The construction happening for Halloween Horror Nights over there at Curious George. The big facade that first went up, it looks like they've kind of stalled on that one on the facade. Probably working on the inside. But another maze went up across. It's really hard to see anything because the walls are all covered. But we did get kind of like a sneak peek, I guess. Walls are already built. So walk through whatever set designs are going inside. That stuff's happening already. I don't know where the facade will be, if it'll be in the front or in the middle, kind of like the other maze. Lots of questions. I still can't really pinpoint what that is. So at this point in time, everything is unknown when it comes down to Halloween Horror Nights. But I feel like we shouldn't be that far off from something being announced, right? May 13th? We'll see. I don't think it's a time to worry yet. If June goes by and we're in July with nothing, it's going to be a little weird. So we got about a month and a half where hopefully something comes our way over here at Hollywood. Thank you guys for your time. Smash that like button. We're firing it down.